Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, we're going to take a look at an incredible product that every car owner needs in their arsenal. Introducing the Car Rear Window Defogger Repair Kit DE Quick Repair Grid Defroster Kit. This amazing kit is designed to easily repair heater grid lines on your car's rear window, keeping it clear and ensuring maximum visibility at all times. Now, let's talk about some of the special features of this kit. The material is made of high-quality ABS and nanofibers, making it soft and smooth to handle. With its compact size of 9.7 inches in length, 7 inches in width, and 5 inches in height, it's easy to store in your car for quick and convenient use. The kit also comes with a variety of accessories including repair gel, cotton swabs, cleaning cloth, tape, wiping cloth, and a stirring rod. But that's not all, we also have the 2PCS car interior cleaning brush, car air conditioner outlet crevice dust removal brushes. This brush is perfect for reaching those hard-to-clean areas in your car's interior, ensuring that every nook and cranny is free from dust and debris. It's compact in size, making it easy to store and carry with you wherever you go. So, why should you invest in these products? Well, not only do they provide practical solutions to common car maintenance issues, but they also save you time and money in the long run. With these tools at your disposal, you can take care of minor repairs and cleaning tasks by yourself without having to rely on expensive professional services. And the best part is, you can get your hands on these amazing products right now by clicking the link in the description below. Don't miss out on the opportunity to keep your car in top-notch condition with these fantastic tools. So there you have it, folks. If you're serious about taking care of your car and ensuring it stays in pristine condition, then these products are an absolute must-have. Don't hesitate, click the link and get yours today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.